asked many times how I make my waffles. You find these in the grocery stores and you can make the gluten-free waffles. The only thing that I have to say here is unfortunately not organic, but I'm going to show you on how to do this without oil, so I don't follow exactly this protocol. So this is really what I use instead of oil. So this is really, you use vegetable, you can do a pear, you can do an apple. I like to use zucchinis or squash or pumpkin. So I had some zucchinis. So since I make both packages, so this is really going to be a big batch, and I freeze this. So I need 8 eggs, and so I'm going to put the 8 eggs in there. You can use a blender that is not a Vitamix. I have a Vitamix, so that's of course one of the best blenders that you can get, and of course it makes it more effective. So, but any blender will do for this purpose. So I have the zucchini, I have eggs in there. Now I need water, so there is a 3/4 cup per half a pack. We have 4, so we actually gonna do the equivalent, so you can go and measure this all at 700 milliliters or 2 cups and 3/4 of a cup. And I've done this often enough that I know this is okay. I also add, in addition to what is said, like a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda in there to make it a little bit better. And now I'm gonna blend this. This is the liquid part. Should be enough. I'm going to do it one more time. Of course, people that know the Vitamix know how to do the speed. We're going to open this carefully because it probably has a lot of foam on there. Now I'm going to put this in this big nice bowl. And I know this bowl is the right size for it, so it's the biggest bowl that I can have in my glass. Works perfectly fine for this. And then you could of course have a hand whisk, but I like these. I like to have all these kitchen helpers. And I'm gonna also start heating up my iron. You see my waffle iron, so I'm gonna start heating this up slowly already. And so I have these packs open, and you saw, so instead of oil as the package said, we have the zucchini in there, and now I'm gonna mix this here in. Okay, beautiful. Make sure I don't have clumps, so that's why I like the electric helpers. So we arranged some stuff. So I have my metal here, so I can basically have my waffles cool off. My waffle is set at 3, my waffle iron. And so per waffle I probably need, we'll see, don't overload your waffles. You've probably made waffles before. So just, and this is actually, I could even make it a little bit more watery if I wanted to. Make beautiful waffles. What do I do with these waffles? Why do I make so much? I'm actually gonna freeze them, and so I break them in quarters and then I freeze them and then I toast them, and that's why I make so much at once. And so per waffle it's usually 3 minutes. So I'm setting my alarm because I usually do other things in those 3 minutes. I'm not gonna have the time to stand here all the time and wait for these waffles. I go off and do other things, but I always make sure I set my timer. And so this is, we're gonna wait for this one to do the 3 minutes, so you see how it comes out. So you see there's no oil or butter or anything used, and that's very essential. We want them to not have that. There's naturally some of that in there. Obviously that's maybe not the healthiest to use one of those waffle irons. They do have like a coating on there, but the biggest thing in this world, we cannot escape every toxin in this world, but we need to learn to detox, 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 and detox to get the stuff through, and we do the healthiest choices we can. And so yeah, like it's gonna be a few more, like maybe more, like another minute. And then we're gonna see how it comes out. And they make wonderful waffles. They freeze very well and they taste yummy. And you can of course then add whatever you want with them. You can make them like with something, you know, sweet like you're used to, but you can of course also put something like a puree of vegetables on there, or you can eat them like as a bread addition instead of the normal bread to your meal where you usually would use a bread. So it's a very easy way to have this at hand. Or you can even do your guacamole, and you can use it with a guacamole. So it's all ideas to use your waffles, and when you have them ready in the freezer, then it's easy to do this and not be tempted to eat some bread, because in reality most of the bread out there is, if not all, is really not healthy for you. I'm going to give you other choices in the future. I have other ideas for other things that can be done for flatbread, other waffle recipes, so we're going to do different ones, but that's the one that I've been doing for like the last 2 years at least, and everybody that I've been serving this to loves it. It's a great waffle. Everybody that even eats normal waffles with wheat and everything in there is pretty excited about these gluten-free ones, and so that's the healthiest choice we can have. So let's see, like a few more seconds. Well, we can maybe have a peek. Not quite yet. So it's another 45 seconds. I just checked. And of course the first one is never as perfect as they get as you keep going and you regulate the temperature. But yeah, I'm gonna do this whole batch and I'm gonna freeze them. Quarter them and then freeze them, and we're gonna still wait so I can show you how it comes out, just like a normal waffle. Looks like a waffle, tastes like a waffle.
I vouch. The camera lady vouches. It's a delicious waffle.
Yeah, and usually they don't stick into it, so and I take, as you see, I take like this wooden, so I don't scratch my surface, and you see we have a waffle, and I can totally lift this up with this, and I can put this on here to let it cool off. So this was the 3 minutes, and then from here we just keep going, but I'm sure you've done waffles, you just don't want to make a mess, so this is just, you always want to fill them up enough but not too much. I don't think it's that difficult for all the ones of you that are experienced, especially, you know, and it makes a bunch of waffles, and that's what we want. So thank you for watching. Have fun, make the waffles, and enjoy!